Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And as some of you might know, my favorite character in Marvel is Wolverine. But on DC side, my favorite character is Zatanna. And for this video, we're going DC to start off our unboxing for 2023. We have to go with our favorite DC character, Zatanna, the Mistress of Magic. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a Zatanna figure, and as you can see, she is not in original packaging, very loose, and she is just in a ziploc. Okay, but she is complete, meaning the action figure is here, as well as the accessories, the top hat, and the wand or the baton. Okay, so before we unbox Zatanna, as always, we're going to look at Heroclix figures of Zatanna Zatara. Okay, and we have most of them. Okay, so this is the complete list of Heroclix figures for Zatanna, ID cards, silver and golden age figures. We're not gonna go through all of them, but we're going to highlight a couple of figures that are wearing fishnets. Okay, fishnet stockings, because as you can see, one of the allure of Zatanna is her sexiness, highlighted by the fishnet stockings. So if you don't like fishnet stockings, stop this video, Google, and search for fishnet stockings. If you don't know who Zatanna is, what are you doing? Stop this video, go to Google, search Zatanna Zatara. Okay, and you will be sure to like the character. Okay. So anyway, let's go to our Heroclix figures, and as I said, we're going to look at the golden age fishnet stocking wearing Zatanna, and we have a couple of them. So this is from the golden age set. I don't know what this symbol is. Okay, but this is set number 55, JLA for 29 points. And yeah, the scope does not do Zatanna justice. Okay, but we're here for the fishnets stockings. Okay, so let's take a look at her dial. Although this figure is uncarded, so we have to go with the HE Realms app. HE Manager rather. Okay, so you can see range of 8, keyword celebrity, Justice League of America, mystical. This is CJ set. Okay. Okay, JLA, Force Blast, and then Incapacitate at the latter part, and then ESD. So it's a rookie Zatanna, so it's expected that she is not as powerful compared to the experienced or veteran versions. Okay, and the other one we're going to look at is actually also the same sculpt, but it's a character name, Zatanna Zatara, with a Mystic's ability, 35, set number 219. So I imagine this will be the limited edition for that particular set, one of the limited edition figures. Okay, so fishnet stockings. Again, let's put it on the pedestal and let's take a look at the dial. So, I think it's almost the same combat values. So, very similar skill set, Force Blast, Incapacitate, ESD, but with the mystical, Mystic Steam ability. So that is the 35-point Zatanna Zatara. Okay. So let's go back to our main agenda, and that is to look at our figure. So we're definitely going to display this in our Zatanna shrine, as I call it. Okay, we have a decent statues of Zatanna in different versions. So that's why we were excited to get this locally. Okay, I've been searching for this online, but it's a bit pricey. Okay, so that's why when the opportunity came up that I can buy a loose figure of Zatanna, I really grabbed it. Okay, one of my friends, Julian, asked whether I already have this figure, and I did not. So I said immediately reserve that because she will be completing or adding to my collection of Zatanna. Okay, so I got this for around, I think, 1,000 pesos, $20, much cheaper than how much it's going for in eBay. So let's see. You have to be careful with the fishnet stockings. Okay, let's touch that. Okay, so it's cloth, so we have to be very careful with that. Okay, so even though this is loose, it's still in good condition, as you can see here. I like the blue highlights on her hair. Okay, yeah, take a look at that. Who wouldn't fall for that face? And the Mistress of Magic. So Zatanna, of course, is a powerful magician with the backward magic. Okay, so meaning he casts her spells by pronouncing words backwards. Okay, so it's a bit off-white here, a bit dirty, but that's fine. You can probably clean that with wipes. Okay, the important thing is if she can stand. And I don't think so. Let's see. Okay, I don't think so. That's okay. We'll just position her against a wall or something. Then we have the accessories, the top hat. Okay, I don't know if it's something that she can wear. Oh, yeah, I think she would be able to wear this in the display cap. Okay, it adds to her beauty. Okay, magician, and of course the wand, baton, standard for all magicians. Maybe she can hold the hat. Can be. And hold the baton. Okay. You have to be very careful with old figures like this because it can snap. It happened to me a lot of times already. So, and but I don't want it to happen to Zatanna. Okay, so that's Zatanna. Awesome addition to my collection. I'm gonna put her there and then showcase it to you guys as we wrap up this video. Enjoy the show. Ring. This is our Zatanna shrine. You can see our Zatanna figures in our latest edition.